Okay, so today we're opening up this Rebel Clash Toxtricity VMAX booster pack. Last time we opened up Rebel Clash, we got a Eldegoski, so we did get a pretty nice pull. There we go. Okay. Oh, I saw something. I actually saw something. No, we got something. I know we got something. I saw something. I saw something back here. Oh, I think it might be something good. Okay. We got Fighting Energy, Skunk Take. Oh, more Pico. I don't have this one. That's a nice card. It's an uncommon card. Compassion's Bucket, Stunky, Clefairy. That's a really nice artwork. Voltorb. That looks like it could be a holo card. Nose Pass, Wingull, Shuckle Reverse Holo.
Ooh.
That's an uncommon Reverse Holo. Dragapult VMAX! We got a VMAX 4! Let's go! That's awesome! Look at that!
Nice.
Oh, that's a phenomenal card. That's great artwork. Oh, that's awesome.